Welcome back, wonderful listeners. I'm Nitya Rangarajan. We are bridging the gap between dreaming big and actually achieving those dreams. That is our focus today. If you have ever started the year full of ambition but struggled to follow through, this episode is for you. We are going to break down how to take your grand visions and turn them into small, actionable steps that fit into your daily life. Your goal is to improve your health, grow your career, or spend more quality time with your family, whatever it may be. I'll show you how to create a plan that feels achievable and exciting and not overwhelming. Because the secret to big change is not the big leaps, it's the small, consistent steps you take every day. So let's dive in. First, let's clarify your vision. What is that big goal or dream that lights you up? Maybe it is getting healthier, starting a business, or finding more balance in your life. To bring clarity, take a moment to imagine yourself at the end of 2025. What does your life look like? How do you feel? What have you accomplished? Write it down or visualize it in detail. The more specific you are, the easier it becomes to create a roadmap. For example, if your vision is to be healthier, get clear on what that means. Does it mean more energy, better sleep? Your vision needs to inspire you, but it also needs to feel tangible. Now that you have your vision, let's talk about how to make it actionable. Big goals often feel overwhelming because we focus on the end result rather than the steps it takes to get there. So, the key is to break your vision into smaller, manageable pieces. And how do we do that? I'll give you a simple process. First step is to set milestones. That is, divide your goal into phases. For example, if your goal is to write a book, your milestones could be outline, first draft, revisions, and final edit. Now, the second step is to create micro goals. That is, break those milestones into even smaller tasks. For writing a book, a micro goal could be writing 500 words a day or spending 30 minutes brainstorming chapter ideas, right? Now, the third step is to focus on daily habits. Consistency is everything. Small daily actions build momentum and keep you moving forward without feeling overwhelmed, right? So, let me give you a recap of these three steps. First one is to set milestones, second one is to create micro goals, and third one is to focus on daily habits. Now, for example, one of my clients wanted to get more active. So instead of committing to an hour at the gym every day, she started with a 10-minute walk around her neighborhood. So within months, that small habit grew into a full workout routine. And she enjoyed it because it didn't feel forced or overwhelming for her. Now, let's make your goals SMART. That is, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. This framework turns vague ideas into clear action plans. For example, instead of saying, I want to be healthier, we can say, I will drink 2 liters of water daily and walk for 20 minutes and 5 days a week. Or instead of, I want to grow my career, you can say, I'll complete one professional course by June 2025. The clearer your goal, the easier it is to track your progress and celebrate your wins. Okay, but let's be real. Life doesn't always go as planned, right? That is why flexibility is just as important as planning. When obstacles arise, don't see them as failures. Instead, you adjust and keep moving forward. For example, if you miss a workout, focus on eating a healthy meal that day. If a big project feels overwhelming for you, break it into even smaller tasks and tackle one at a time. Because slow progress is better than no progress, and progress is more important than perfection. Your small, consistent efforts will always outweigh the bursts of intensity. Finally, don't forget to celebrate your progress along the way. Each small win is a step closer to your big goal. Here is a simple way to celebrate. At the end of each week, write down one thing you accomplished and treat yourself to something meaningful when you hit a milestone. It could be a coffee date, a favorite book, or even a day off to relax. Celebration isn't just about rewarding yourself, it's about acknowledging how far you've come and staying motivated for the journey ahead. Now, to sum it up, dream big but act small. Start with a clear vision, break it into manageable steps, and take consistent daily actions. Use the SMART framework to stay focused, build flexibility to adapt to challenges, and always celebrate your progress. Your action step for today is write down one big goal for 2025. Then break it into a milestone and a micro goal you can start this week. And please share it with me. I would love to cheer you on. Now, next week, we'll talk about mindfulness and how staying present can help you stick to your resolutions. So please don't miss it. And as always, remember, big dreams happen one small step at a time. So see you next time. Bye bye.